Practice being honest more to your partner. Kahit anong aspect yan, yung kaartehan, kadugyutan, o kaya dreams mo, aspirations mo, o kaya naman favorite things, yung mga hindi mo preferred na bagay, o kaya naman even with intimacy, or even with yung medyo mas sensitive na mga bagay sa mag-asawa. Yan yung mga bagay minsan na parang sometimes it's because of insecurities. But I think if you practice being open and being honest to your partner, it will strengthen your bond. Parang ano yun, magiging stronger foundation ng relationship nyo. Yung mas bonded kayo na kahit na anong bagay yung mangyari, hindi kayo basta mauuga. Yung tipong ano yung mga past nyo, di ba?
So
minsan,
bottom line nga, you just have to be honest with each other. Umpisa pa lang.
well, sometimes it takes a while. Yung journey and yung parang experience ng relationship, that's where you find the beauty ng relationship eh. Hindi naman dahil sa kung ano lang yung preference nyo. What if later on in your life, you found out about something tapos hindi mo na kayang tanggapin? Eh di sayang naman. Never there was an opportunity or chance na mapag-usapan yun or ma-brought up yun or maybe it's something na hindi niya na gustong pag-usapan. As long as you keep being real, you continue being real and you keep it, you're continuing the relationship while being real, walang magiging problema.